Hello, on behalf of NEAR, a Swedish company specializing in real-time software, we would like to give you a quick demonstration of a fault-tolerant system in action. We'll be running a demo on a pair of BeagleBone hobbyist boards running Linux, and on each of these we'll be running the fault-tolerant version of Polyhedra, NEAR's in-memory relational database system. Rather than using specialist hardware to connect the boards and monitor their health, we'll just use Ethernet, and we configure the Polyhedra software on each board to use heartbeats to check that its partner on the other board is alive. Thus, if one board fails or loses its connection to the network, the server on the other board will take over immediately the failure is detected. We've also put some software on each board to indicate via the LEDs whether the board is a master, standby, or master with a standby. So, here are the two boards we are using. As neither is connected to the network, the Polyhedra database service is not running and the LEDs are off. If we now connect one to the network, the software will check to see if the other board is running, and as it cannot see the other board, it starts up the server in master mode and turns on this light. We shall now connect in the second board. This time it can see the server on the other board is running, so it will start up the Polyhedra server in hot standby mode and turn on this flashing light. Looking back at the first board, we can see both the solid light indicating as master and a flashing one to show it has a standby. Now we have a resilient service, we get to the fun part. We'll disconnect the master from the network, and you'll see from the lights that the other board promotes itself from standby to master. When we plug in the original boards again, you'll see from the lights that it quickly sets itself up as the hot standby. The final stage of the demo is to run a client application on a separate board. The database we are running contains records representing lights for a road junction, plus some code that periodically alters the state. The client on this Raspberry Pi board uses the results of an SQL query to control its lights, and the Polyhedra active query mechanism will keep it up to date. If we now unplug the master, the standby server takes over as before, and the client will automatically switch over to it with minimal disruption of its operation. We hope you found this short demonstration of a fault-tolerant database service helpful. If you want more information about the Polyhedra database system, you can visit the NEAR website or www.polyhedra.com. We also have a separate site with lots of technical details, white papers, etc., which can be found at developer.polyhedra.com. Thank you for watching.